Hello guys, in this video I will show you a very useful Google Chrome extension. So if you do want to open Google Autocomplete, YouTube Autocomplete suggestions that appear in search in new tab, you can actually install this extension. The name itself is called Google YouTube Autocomplete new tab search. If you directly search for this extension, the very first extension which comes, you simply add this extension to Chrome. So it's fairly a new extension, only 88 people have installed it, but it does the job for you. So after installing it, simply activate this extension. The icon will look something like this. So now if you simply go to Google and directly type for something, so basically as soon as you search it in the suggestions that come right here, as you see this is one suggestion, two suggestion. For each suggestion you are seeing this button right here, which is added on the right hand corner. This button allows you to open this query in new tab. So as you see, this will save you a lot of time. So I open this query, I open this keyword in new tab. As you see, for everything, so as you type in Google, for every suggestion we add this button which opens in new tab. And similarly we also have for this YouTube as well. So if you directly type for something, for this you just need to refresh. So you will see for each suggestion it has added this right hand button right here. So basically directly opens a new tab for each keyword. As you see it is doing it. So this is the sole purpose of this extension. It opens the suggestions in new tab. So definitely check this extension out.